In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add announcements to ClickFunnels. By the end, you'll have a clean announcement panel running on your page, perfect for promos, updates, or time-sensitive messages. First, you'll create your announcement widget. Head to a widget builder, such as Common Ninja Announcements, and design the announcement you want to show. Give it a clear title, write a short direct message, and add any links you want people to click, like a product page or a sign-up form. Choose styles that match your brand, colors, fonts, and layout, and keep readability front and center. If you plan to display it at the top of your page, make sure the size isn't overwhelming. Also, glance at the mobile preview so your text and buttons look great on smaller screens. When you're happy with the design, save and copy the embed code. Click Save Changes, then choose Add to Website, and copy the embed snippet that appears. This code is what connects your announcement to your ClickFunnels page. It's usually a small piece of HTML and JavaScript. Treat it like you would any other site code. Keep it handy and avoid modifying the characters inside it. Now, open your ClickFunnels page in the editor. Go to the funnel step where you want the announcement to appear. Think about placement. Most people put announcements at the top of a landing page or just under the hero section for maximum visibility, but choose the spot that best fits your layout and goal. Next, add an HTML/code element. In the ClickFunnels page editor, drag the HTML/code widget into the section where you want the panel to show. Give yourself enough spacing so the announcement doesn't crowd your headline or buttons. If your page uses multiple sections, placing the code in a dedicated row can help with alignment. Paste the embed code you copied into that HTML block. Make sure you paste the entire snippet without extra spaces or characters. If the widget offers async or loading options, leave them as provided unless you know you need to change them. The default typically works well. Finally, save and preview. Click Save. Then publish your page and open a preview to confirm everything looks right. Test on desktop and mobile and click the links to confirm they work. If the announcement isn't showing, double-check that you pasted the full code and that it's placed in the correct HTML element. Once it appears where you placed it, you're all set.